så just vunnit O-ringen och congratulations to the O-ringen.
Tack. It was very nice.
Yeah, you had a good week?
Yeah, it was fantastic. The atmosphere was super. The terrain were really good. So I really enjoyed this week.
Yeah, and you took your long distance World Cup a few weeks ago.
Yeah, it was a tough summer with a lot of close goals, but now I'm really satisfied, and I'm looking for holidays, but I hope to be fresh in October for Smålandskavlen.
Yeah, that's nice. What is it that's unique with your technique? You are so good every competition.
Of course it's very hard to say, because now I have been starting orienteering when I was 4 or 5 years old, so it's almost 30 years ago. So of course it has a lot to see with experience, and also I'm training quite a lot with maps, so I think I have spent more time in forest than most of elite orienters.
Yeah. That's the reason why you win so much.
Yeah, I think it's just it's very simple sometimes in sport. It comes a lot about preparation and training. There is no real secret.
Okay. Well, thank you, and welcome to Smålandskavlen in October.
Thank you.